Hello there. In this lesson I will show you how to leave from behind a parked vehicle. Or I could say I'm gonna show you how to leave from behind a parallel parked vehicle. Either way it means the same. So right now my car is on, and I have enough space to leave by just turning the wheel. But the thing is, if I have enough space out front, then yes, it's fine. Like right now I can turn one revolution. But let's say I'm closer, then if there was a vehicle parked behind me and I could not back up, I would have to turn the wheel all the way to the left in order to get out of this tight spot. So right now, like I said, I have enough room. So all I have to do is, well, the car is already started, so put my right foot on the brake, release the parking brake, place the gear selector to drive because I have enough room. If I did not, then I'd be putting it in reverse. Now signal to the left, check the mirror, check all around, and I'll just take one complete revolution to leave because, like I said, I have sufficient room, so no problem. So all I have to do now is check as I'm leaving, check the mirror, and see I have lots of room. Then I drive away. Next street down, it's a right turn, signal right, check the mirror and right shoulder, turn into this street. And remember, you check your shoulder because someone could be in the crosswalk riding a bike, they crash into you, then it's my fault. So remember, always check, don't assume that it's okay. Alright, right turn at this stop sign. Of course there's no white line, no stopping position, but I just stop at the stop sign, then check to the left, and it's safe, so I continue. Stop sign ahead, and I'm gonna make a right turn, so I signal right, check my shoulder, and then stop just before the white line. Complete stop. And check left, right. Check my right shoulder again because someone could be there. Make my right turn. Okay, I intend to go straight across this main street here, so of course I have to stop before the white line right there. But it's limited as to what I can see. So I inch up slowly, check left, right, and it's good. So run, get out of there fast. At the stop sign ahead, it's a left turn, so I signal left. What do I have here? White line? No. Sidewalk or crosswalk? Yes, I stop before it. Do the checking. It's a three-way stop sign. I'm the only one, so all I have to do is make my left turn. Recover. Okay, now the next street down, it's a right turn, so I signal to the right, check my mirror, check my right shoulder, get down to 20 to 25 kilometers an hour into the turn, so I'll end up on the right side of the road. And that's basically it. And this will be the end of this lesson. Hope you picked up some pointers. I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.